Good morning. Happy Easter, Easter Sunday. And then this is sound sharing we do on a regular basis. And today just a little bit sound sharing today. So what I want to share is that this morning, somehow, one of my storage place in the apartment, the stuff just fell off and opened the door. I don't know why, but I guess the spirit wanted me to go check on the that storage room, you know. And then I found this photoglassy paper for the inkjet printer. So I look at that, and then I bought that maybe a couple pieces left with me to the store. So this morning I feel like I should point out one of my favorite artwork that I finished a few months ago, and then I should print it out on this photoglassy paper. So which I did, and then although because my printer is a laser printer, so this kind of paper, even though it's a photoglassy, but it's for the inkjet printer, so it doesn't really show the like a shininess, but I do like the outcome of this. This is owl medicine. You can see many owls that is in this mandala. You know, I didn't plan on drawing the owl, but when I finished this piece and I just look at it, and I was like so surprised of that, you know, how this turned out, and I really like it. So I was guided to print out this one, and so I'm going to look for the papers and then maybe some other tools that can help me, so I can start printing out this, and then, you know, laminate it, and maybe this will be like your altar's grid. You can put your crystal on it, you know, so it will amplify. So I think it's very nice. So this is interesting thing that I believe the door of the storage in my apartment was closed, and somehow the spirit just find a way to open up, and the stuff drop off the storage. That's why I have this experience today. So I like to share with you. It's very nice. So yeah, so that's my experience I want to share with you today. So it's Easter Sunday, so we're just going to play a little bit of a bowl and see maybe a little bit of flute. Okay. Anyway, the spring is ahead of us. Is right now with us. I can feel the temperature, the weather temperature is getting warmer and warmer. So it's very nice. Although I didn't prepare to wear white today, but it's okay. So glad to see you, and then we'll see what Mount Shasta is going to bring us when I visit Mount Shasta. Because I haven't been there for, you know, since the last December or November, and then it's time for me, because this is already April. I haven't been back the entire 2023. So this will be interesting to see what other energy, what other connection I'm going to get. Okay, so take a few deep breaths. Enough of talking, so just take a few deep breaths. Relax your body, mind, and your soul, your mental, your physical, your emotional. Take another deep breath and focus on the chakra that you would like to work on. Our 7 chakras: base chakra, red; sacral chakra, orange; solar plexus, yellow; heart chakra, green, emerald green; throat chakra is blue; third eye chakra, indigo. Anyway, so, and then the crown chakra is purple violet. And we know the Saint Germain, Ascending Master Saint Germain is the one guardian the violet flame, which is very good for transmutation. So focus on you can focus on one chakra you like to work on through this entire session, or you can focus on multiple chakras if you're able to, focus on multiple chakras at the same time. That would be awesome. And then just follow the sound, and then crystal ball singing sound, then so the energy will help you to work on it, open it up, balancing, and then purify. Okay, close your eye. You may already have, but my recommendation is close your eyes and just use your heart to listen to the vibration, the sound and the vibrations and colors. So my our medicine artwork, our means see through the deception. So help you to see through the just people things only on the surface. You can see through by follow your inner guidance, and then listen and trust your intuition, your gut feeling about people, about things happening in your life, and help you to be able to realize and then to be centered. And visualize Mount Shasta, covered with a pure white snow, with a blue sky, and we're receiving the energy coming down to us, coming to us from Mount Shasta. Feel the Mother Earthy energy, feel the energy of embracing from the Mother Earth, from the Mount Shasta, from Lemuria, from Talos. Coming down from your crown chakra, all the way through your all 7 chakras, and going all from the bottom of your feet, and then going out to the Mother Earth and connect with the Mother Earth as well. Not only reach up to receiving higher vibration, energy, connection to the source of the universe, to the star family, to the stars, galactic systems and vibration and frequency, but also you're grounded with the Mother Earth. Grounded with the Mother Earth, still be able to perform your daily tasks, because we have our physical body with us on this Mother Earth. So we have to take good care of our physical body in order to receiving the higher vibration when it comes, and we are able to adjust it. If you have a weak body, physical body, then it will be difficult for the higher vibration and frequencies and energy coming into your body and help you to increase your awareness or consciousness. And spiritual journey, spirituality is not something mystical. It's something that we learn, and then we are able to see things from a higher perspective and then apply back to our real life, physical life. And that's the purpose of being, learning on the spiritual journey or spirituality. That is actually, we will be able to go through things faster, and then we were able to see things, people, things, or the world from a higher perspective, and then get a better understanding of that. It's not like something very mystical or very secretive about that. It's not, because this is the time that we need to increase our awareness from the spiritual point of view, and then apply it back to our physical life. So remember, sound, light, colors are healing modality in our world right now. So if you like to do arts, you like color, you like music, sound, light, color, they're very good, to help you to releasing, healing, all those kind of things will benefit you a lot in your daily life. That's why I do artwork. I do the sound sharing and also the lights, because light colors also is a form of lights as well. But sunlight, moonlight, those kind of things, those are light we're talking about. Also with a different color of lights, That's why I like to put my crystal babies on the light box with a different kind of rainbow colors, so they enjoy of doing that. And interesting is that the past week, a few days ago, a customer brought in her friend, and then because she was here before, she brought in one of her friend that also into the crystal, and he is also a very good craftsman. He does those light boxes with a very fancy wood, polished, very nice. He did send me some pictures, and I really like it. So hopefully, sometimes this week, he will stop by with some of his light boxes, and I can take a look. So Spirit always send me people interesting every week. I notice that more and more. It's like, or especially come to like a Thursday or Friday, there are some interesting people coming, and we will have some conversation about Mount Shasta, crystal ball, crystal, those kind of things, So that's a reminder of me have to continue to do a sound sharing, which I enjoyed it anyway. So yeah, so those are the experience that I have. Remember, sound, light, colors are healing modality. So like I just finished this Dragon Realm. It's in the back right here. It's a very interesting painting. I haven't done a canvas painting for a long while, but I just recently finished this one. So I'm glad, because I like the convenience of doing the digital art, because you can just drop whenever you need to. For example, if I have customer walk in, if I'm doing on the canvas, it'll be kind of difficult, and then I have to put the stuff away. But sometimes I spend more time on the digital art. It's the convenience of that. But I do like both of them, because they actually different, but they're all good. They're all good. So here in Cupertino, the shop, I have two big tables. So, if you like to do artwork, canvas, on canvas, I use acrylics, acrylic. You can always, discuss with me. You can use this place to come to do relaxation artwork, painting or sound sharing here. It's a place for you to come and enjoy your time with yourself. So maybe you are seeing some colors or some vibration or some images on the chakra that you're focusing on. But it's okay, just be there with it, and then ask for guidance, ask your guardian angel, archangels to assist you, or masters assist you to open up, and then balancing, cleansing, purification. Okay, now you're slowly coming back to your body. And then we show our gratitude, show our gratitude to all the invisible beings, whoever come to assist our session today. Archangels, guardian angels, dragon, crystal skulls, ascending masters, Malshasa, Telos, Lemurian, all of them. Indigenous families, shaman families, and we thank all the crystal singing bowls as well. Take another deep breath. Okay, when you're ready, you can open up your eyes. Thank you. So that's today's session. I just go with the flow. Never have a script to begin with. Just go with the flow every time. Whatever comes through, I just talk about it, speak about it, and then we will see you next time. Okay. Happy Easter. Bye-bye.